Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LEGO Friends house is probably one of the most delightful building sets for young creators. This set offers a vibrant and engaging experience, allowing kids to construct a detailed house filled with fun accessories and mini dolls. Join me as we explore the features, build the house, and discover why this set is a fantastic choice for sparking creativity and imaginative play in children. Number 5. LEGO Friends Forest House 41679 Building Kit. Welcome to the LEGO Friends Forest House. This set lets kids explore a world of woodland living with Mia and her family. It's a great way to spark imagination and enjoy nature. This forest toy includes Mia, her family, and even a cute raccoon figure. They're ready for fun and adventure in the woods. Get ready to play with these friendly characters. There's so much to do. They can relax in the bedroom, hang out in the outdoor lounge, and take pictures of the wildlife. There's even a toilet for the characters. This set is perfect for nature-loving kids aged 6 and up. It's a great gift for any occasion, encouraging immersive play and creativity. They will love it. The forest house is over 7 inches high, 7 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. It's a compact set that's easy to store and ready for play anytime. It's perfect for endless fun. What we like? This forest house is perfect for nature lovers. It includes mini dolls and animal figures, allowing for immersive play. If you like exploring the outdoors and enjoy imaginative play, you should consider this set. What people say. Every child wanted the raccoon, the figures, the treehouse. It was a super cute set and easy to assemble. LEGO Friends Set. Number 4. LEGO Friends Autumn's House 41730. This amazing LEGO set features a 2-story house inspired by nature. It comes with everything needed for fun, including mini dolls and animal figures. It's perfect for kids aged 7 and up. Inside, you'll find a kitchen, living room, dining room, and even a bedroom. There's also a balcony and a stable for the toy horse. This house is full of possibilities. This set includes 4 LEGO Friends mini dolls, Autumn, Leo, Aaliyah, and Mia. They're ready for adventures. Plus, there's Daisy the dog and a foal horse to play with. Kids can pick apples, help Leo bake, and care for the pets. They can also enjoy lattes by the campfire. The possibilities are endless with this playset. The set comes with accessories like a notebook, binoculars, and baking ingredients. There are also pumpkins, apples, cups, and dog food. It has everything to make playtime even more fun. Discover other sets in the LEGO Friends universe. This set is a great addition to any collection. It's a wonderful gift for kids aged 7 and up. What we like? This set offers a complete doll's house experience with multiple rooms and accessories. It includes mini dolls and animal figures, providing endless play possibilities. If you are looking for a comprehensive and detailed play set, this is the one for you. What people say. The little rooms are so cute. The directions were easy to follow, and it even comes with a horse. What could be better? Everything went together well, all the pieces were there, and my daughter loved it. Number 3. LEGO Friends 41101 Heartlake Grand Hotel Building Kit. This amazing set lets you build a luxurious 3-story hotel. It features an elevator to reach all the floors, a rooftop pool, and a cozy outdoor cafe. This set includes 5 mini doll figures, Andrea, Olivia, Stephanie, Susan, and Nate. There are also adorable dog and cat figures. They are ready for a fun vacation. The hotel boasts a grand lobby, a lively jazz bar, and comfortable guest rooms. The model measures over 11 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. This LEGO Friends set is compatible with all LEGO construction sets. It offers endless possibilities for creative building and imaginative play. With 1552 pieces, this set is designed for boys and girls aged 8 to 12. It's a fantastic way to spend time and create lasting memories. What we like? This grand hotel offers a luxurious experience with multiple rooms and features. It includes mini dolls, allowing for creative role-playing. If you like building large and detailed sets, this is a great choice. What people say. The set has many details. It has a lot of accessories. The house is very well designed. Number 2. LEGO Friends Heartlake City Grand Hotel 41684 Building Kit. Welcome to the Heartlake City Grand Hotel. This amazing building kit allows kids to roleplay in a luxurious, Parisian-style hotel. It's packed with features and ready for year-round fun. This set includes 4 LEGO Friends mini dolls, including an actress and a receptionist. There are also 3 adorable animal figures. Kids can create stories with all the characters. The hotel has 5 rooms to explore, plus an outdoor dining area. Children can let their imaginations run wild as they recreate hotel life. They can even dress it up with seasonal accessories. This set is ideal for boys and girls aged 8 and up who love real-world toys. It's a great gift for kids with some building experience. They will enjoy the construction challenge. The main building measures over 11 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. Thanks to its size and styling, this set makes a centerpiece display with real impact. It's sure to impress. What we like. This Parisian-style hotel is packed with details and seasonal accessories, offering year-round fun. It includes mini dolls and animal figures, perfect for imaginative play. If you are looking for a set with a unique theme and lots of details, you should consider this one. What people say. You can make your hotel fall-themed, Christmas-themed, spring-themed. All the packagings were there as soon as I opened the box, and the final product was stunning as ever. Excellent, came on time, great shape, daughter loved it. Number 1. LEGO Friends Stephanie's House 41314. This 2-story house is from Heartlake City. It includes a kitchen, porch, lounge, bedroom, and more. It's perfect for imaginative play. This set includes Stephanie, her parents, and even a baby rabbit. They are ready for fun. This set comes with lots of accessories and furniture. Kids can enjoy hours of pretend play with this dollhouse family. They can create their own stories and adventures. It's a great way to spark creativity. This set is compatible with other LEGO sets. You can build and expand your world. The possibilities are endless. With 622 pieces, this set is perfect for kids aged 6 to 12. It measures over 8 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 10 inches deep. It's a great gift. What we like. This house offers a complete play experience with multiple rooms and accessories. It includes mini dolls and furniture, perfect for role-playing. If you have a child who loves playing house and enjoys creative play, this set is a great choice. What people say. The swing on the front porch is a nice touch, as is the swing-around staircase. It has a swivel chair in the office. The rooms are small, especially the kitchen for adult hands, but a small child would most likely have an easier time playing. The colors are bright and cheery. It was easy to assemble, and the LEGO instruction books are the best instruction booklets I have ever seen for a product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.